What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We have another exciting day of a round of mods that we're going to be installing. Today we're going to be kicking it off with the new end plates that I had re-cleared. Now I said I was going to do something a little bit different so that way I can put a design on it. The design isn't here, but I'll show you what it was before. So this is with the APR logo, and then this is without. So that way I'm going to be putting a design on the wing. Say what's up, Logan.
What's going on, man?
And then we are going to be installing what I didn't do last time, is my AC blower motor. And make sure you sit tight, doing something cool on the inside of the interior. Like I said in the past, I'm going to be doing something carbon, not gloss, matte carbon. All right, so now we're going to be replacing these APR end plates with what I have now are also APR end plates, but without the logo. It just says APR.
You can take these on and off. You can do that.
Yeah.
That much.
Leave me alone, be nice.
Something tells me you would figure it out too.
Thank you.
All right, I like that. That looks good.
All right.
That ties in a little better with the
BMW.
Yeah.
Well, that looks so nice without the APR logo. You're right, it really does tie in the rest of everything together now.
Yeah. Let's see what we have here. Here she is.
No more EE sounds.
Nope. These are pretty simple. Mm-hmm. These go in and out pretty easily, so.
They go in and out pretty easily?
Yeah, there's a couple things that go in and out pretty easily. Okay, now we're gonna move this over here. All right.
This fire extinguisher.
The very first thing I'm going to do. So
what's step one of replacing an E90 blower motor? Because I understand that this whole 2008 to 2013 are
the same,
relatively the same.
Yeah. So first off, there's a panel that. I was going to say that died. That's cool. There's a panel located right underneath the glove box here, held in with two T15s, if I'm not mistaken. So obviously start by just take that guy off really quick. I prefer to put all like the nuts and bolts right here. Kinda pull this guy down. Underneath here, this unit right inside here is the blower motor.
That's what we're going to be replacing.
That's what we are going to be replacing.
With this guy.
But hold on.
Does it not look the same?
Damn, no, it does not. It's different.
Is it different?
Yeah.
God damn it.
So.
Well, Amazon, I passed your 30-day return refund guarantee. You said that my part fit on a 2010 BMW M3 coupe, and it did not, so nice.
Nice.
Thanks.
That's okay. So we'll just put everything back, and we'll come back to this on a third date of finally replacing my blower motor. It's not terrible, but it's not, I don't like hearing it.
Oh, I don't blame you.
It doesn't sound amazing.
No, it's
one
annoying.
So this does not fit my car, so we will be returning this. Moving forward, only be buying parts from Logan because he actually works at BMW. We will be replacing the steering wheel plate frame, or steering wheel face trim, I guess you can call it.
Something like that, yeah.
With something a little bit special. like I said. I'm a sucker for matte carbon. So I actually got this from Auto Technic, and it came in gloss carbon, and I had it refinished in this matte carbon. Look at this. This is super exciting. So to take off the, what? To get to the steering wheel plate frame, what do you have to take off?
So, at first I'm going to plop off this airbag here. Then we're going to use this, let's see, I think this is a T15. There's 3 screws on the back, off those so we can get this plate kind of loose. Pulled off this side of the airbag. There's 2 metal retaining clips behind this airbag. You can use a little pocket screwdriver, give you some resistance, but also want to push back on you a little bit. Boom. Just like that. So there you go. I'm just giving this a little tension myself. That guy's out there. Like I said, 3 T15s, 1, 2, 3. Take off these guys. These are the buttons. Alrighty. I'll take the new faceplate.
Oh, should I give you the red button first? And since we're already doing the steering wheel face trim, we might as well put in another red button. For all you Beamer guys that like the M3 button, we're gonna finish off with that start button with the little red M mode button. If you can see that real nicely. Gently.
All right, yeah, super gently. I didn't realize this had like so many different pieces. Snap that back in place.
Yay!
Bingo. There we go. All right. Alrighty, the special piece.
Special piece. You're the special piece.
I know.
They're priceless.
I hope a lady tells me that one day. As much as I love you, I hope a lady tells me that.
Oh, it looks so good.
Don't touch it. It's perfect.
Look at that. Good job.
Hell yeah.
Now we're gonna put on this little button. What? 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 What is this? Excuse me? Is that an empty package?
What? Nothing in it?
Oh, it's right here. I thought it was empty. Let's put this on. I really thought it was empty. I couldn't find it. I was so scared. I was like, damn. Not my first time being scammed, but for a video, I'm gonna put this little freshie. There we go. First try. Spicy. Wow, this looks so good. Wow. Man, the matte carbon really looks so good. Thank you, Logan.
You're very welcome. I think it looks great.
I do too.
So,
Here's what we're
there's
doing.
not going to be enough leverage. Now, I'm just getting the lugs just loose. Now, I don't want to pull them off or anything like that because car's still has weight on the car. So, and don't be like me when you work on your cars and work on them in Berks.
Fun.
All right.
So maybe, I don't know if I've learned my lesson in the last 20 minutes, but I also bought the ABS, steering wheel, speed sensors off Amazon as well. So we will see if this fits. As Amazon says, it fits my 2010 BMW E92 M3 Coupe.
The coupe. Going here, behind the knuckle, you're gonna see, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it on the camera, but. Okay, so, with my luck.
In the heat of uninstalling the speed sensor, the screw came out with the,
Half of it came out.
half of it came out. Half of it came out. So, nice.
No,
Since Logan is here, and I don't know how to do it,
I'm not saying I do.
you might. We're going to attempt and try to adjust my low beams because I can only see so far ahead of me, and it's not really safe. My high beams are essentially the same distance my low beams should be at. So I should honestly just be driving around with my high beams right now. My low beams are only getting like 20 feet. Just have to adjust them because, you know, different, specs of low beams go in all types of lights.
It's not bad at all.
Oh, you found it?
Yep. It is just like the end of a screw, a 10 millimeter. Actually, you'll be able to see if I hold the mirror up to it. Right there. So you're gonna stick a socket.
Oh, I see it.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're gonna stick a socket on that guy, and we're gonna adjust it accordingly. We're gonna flip the car around first and have it point on that wall there. Obviously, the headlight is close to something, and it makes it a lot easier just to adjust rather than looking into the abyss. So
That's true.
yeah,
Just what I do a lot.
sometimes,
I see you.
Oh yeah, you best see me.
You guys can see the huge difference of where my low beams were before and after. So when you guys get aftermarket headlights, almost every single time you have to readjust the low beams. I'm wearing a GoPro because of other POV footage. We even had to adjust them on my Subi for my Circuit Demons. And yes, I had a WRX. That car was so much fun. I have a taste of many cars. I think all cars are fun to drive. Logan, what cars do you not like?
Oh, yeah. We were kind of talking about this earlier, but Maseratis are high, top of the list.
Why is that?
I think they're built very cheap. I think that working on them, they don't make a lot of sense the way that they're put together. And also, like we said, it's basically just an up-badge Chrysler at the end of the day. So I'll say Maseratis, and the most controversy of all is Mercedes. I cannot do a Merc. I like the C63S, the AMG, whatever. I can't say that they aren't, but I don't know. Something about Mercedes, I just don't like them. I don't like them.
What cars do you like working on the most?
Well, obviously we got BMW to start with, and then
Aside from BMW?
aside from BMW, I love Porsche, Volkswagen.
Porsche, Volkswagen?
Yeah, and then
Like Audi and all them?
yeah, and maybe like Subaru afterwards, because I've done quite a bit of work on them.
The bumper pulls like 5 minutes.
Yeah, everything is 5 minutes on that car.
It's 5 minutes.
Really want to get that leverage on this. Really make sure whenever you go to the gym, you gotta practice your wrists. You gotta train your wrists. Because when it comes to the field, you're not gonna be able to perform if your wrists aren't strong.
Bodybuilding, motivation.
Yep. You need to have biceps on your wrists.
Why did the left raise so much faster than the right?
Because I have so much more leverage.
Yeah, because
And it's topped out right there. That is.
oh, so they're both maxed out. Sweet.
They should be hypothetically even.
I'm gonna cue a clip here so you guys can see what nighttime driving through canyon roads is like with my low beams.
Oh, he's so good. It's just so OEM.
It's just so OEM.
Alrighty. Oh, just kidding. We have 2 more.
The rest of the airbox. And since we're already here, please hit that like button so that way it can push these videos to more wonderful people like yourself.
Just pulling too much like eyesight to that sticker.
Yeah, now you're right. Now you can look at other places. I think the next thing would be to get the hardware powder coated. And then like I might not even add anything because like it already says BMW Motorsport on the top of the wing. But I was thinking of, like I said previously in the video, because I love Porsches and this is GT3 inspired, Porsche has this font called Carrera font, and you know how they say like GT3 on the side of the wing and on the side of the car? I kind of wanted to like pull a twist into that, but we'll see. I'll have it made and have the hardware finished in black and we'll play it from there. But dude, another day, another mod. That was fun hanging with you.
My boy, it's always good. We're always getting it done over here, so.
Oh man, that was sick.
Let's keep going.
Can I get a that's a wrap from you?
That's a wrap.
Why so weak? So weak.
That's a wrap!